Back to the channel. So today we are looking at the stock price of Blue Apron Holdings with the ticker symbol APRN. As you guys can see on your screen, the stock concluded today's regular trading with an increase of 33.77% and closed the regular trading session with a stock price of $4.04. Furthermore, in the after hours, we have a slight decrease of about a quarter of a percentage point, with the stock trading right now at about $4.03. So Blue Apron Holdings operates as an ingredient and recipe meal kit service company, engages in making home cooking accessible. The firm is involved in demand planning, recipe creation, recipe merchandising, and marketing. Its products include meals and wine. The company was founded by Matthew J. Wodiak, Ilya M. Papas, and Matthew B. Salzberg in 2012 and is headquartered in New York, New York. And the company has 1,988 employees. So the stock soared this morning when it was announced that the company has found a fresh infusion of capital worth about $70.5 million. So with that information, the stock actually took off, and right now you guys can see that that was an impressive 33.77% gain during the regular trading hours. Today's volume is about 55 million compared to a typical 978,000 shares that would exchange hands on a typical day. The 52-week range has been anywhere from $3 all the way up to $12. So we are very close to the lower range of the stock, and today's range has been anywhere from $3.65 all the way up to $4.33. So at some point it was quite high. Anyways, that's what I have for you guys right now, and now you know why the stock took off so much this morning, because they had a capital infusion worth about $70.5 million. Congratulations to those who bought the stock either yesterday or not so far in the past, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.